welcome to the 14th episode of Ninny's News. On today's episode, we have a whole bunch of masks from the Masquerade May challenge to share with you, as well as we have a special guest here to talk about a exciting new product line that we are now carrying at ninnysnapkins.com. So stay tuned for that. Diane's gone home for the day, and I'm gonna do this quickly because we have a construction crew redoing the gardens out front, and at times it gets very, very noisy. So I'm trying to film it while I can. Masquerade May. If this is your first time here and you're just hearing about this now, I will leave a link in the description box below so that you can check out all the details on our website. Yeah, you have a chance to win a jumbo mystery box. We've had quite a few entries this week. I'm going to share them all with you, and everybody who entered and were sharing their mask on the news today will receive a coupon for 10% off of their next order at ninnysnapkins.com or in store here. And they all have a chance to win our grand prize of a jumbo mystery box. So the first three masks, I should mention that you are able to enter as many masks as you would like, and you don't have to purchase your mask base from Ninnys Napkins, but we do have a couple available for you if that's the route you want to take. But if you watched last week's episode, you'll know that one of our customers actually made her masks out of clay. So yeah, get creative with it. Lots of possibilities. First ones here are actually our new cat masks, and these ones are done by Susie, and she chose to do 3 different masks. They're all cat themed, so those are very, very cool. Yeah, we're really enjoying those, Susie. Thank you so much for your submission. The next ones are from Paula. Paula did 2 different masks, and again, she got her mache masks from us at Ninnys Napkins, and she's used napkins mainly to decorate her 2 masks. And I absolutely love what she did with the butterfly, with the wing coming off of the mask. Very, very creative. So thank you for that, Paula. If you hear the banging now, I apologize. They're breaking rocks for the garden. This one is from Melanie, and Melanie did a cat mask as well. Nice pastel colors. I don't know how well you can tell, but it's glittery. I love that she painted the pink on the nose. Very, very cute mask there. The next 2 come from Sandra and Shannon, and they got together to create their masks. So first I'll show you Shannon's. She used a tear-resistant tissue from Ninnys Napkins. One we don't carry it anymore. They're pretty much discontinued, but and then she built it up from there. And I love her use of 3D embellishments. She added a lot of extra stuff to her mask. So great job, Sandra. Thank you so much for your submission. And Shannon's is a black and yellow bee themed mask. I like her little bee embellishments. So very creative, ladies. Thank you so much for those. Okay, and this submission is from Judy. And Judy's mask really reminds me of like a typical Mardi Gras mask. Very bright, colorful, vibrant, and I love the little jewels around the eyes. So great job with that one, Judy. Thank you for sending it in. And the last one today is from Tinky. And Tinky used one of our masks, but it looks like she's used some magazine pages to do a collage on the mask. So that's very cool, very unique idea. I love that she put in words like artist into it. I think that's very creative as well. So far, all the masks that we've shown last week and this week have been fantastic. So keep them coming. We've had quite a few submissions so far, but really, I mean, in the grand scheme of things, not that many. So your odds of winning are still really high. So yeah, keep that in mind and create lots and lots of masks and send them in. The deadline is May 31st. Okay, so I mentioned that we have a special guest today who is going to introduce a new line of product that we have. And so I'm going to turn it over to Kelly. Kelly is our furniture artist here at Ninnys Napkins. She actually works more for the Onyx Upcycle side of Ninnys Napkins. So we haven't talked a whole lot about Onyx Upcycle yet on the Ninnys news or in our emails or anything, but Onyx Upcycle is our furniture upcycling side of our business. It's more a retail store than it is an online presence. So all of the products that we use at Onyx Upcycle are available for sale at ninnysnapkins.com. And like I said, Onyx Upcycle is just kind of the name for the retail portion of our business where we sell paint and transfers. And yeah, so Kelly paints furniture for us. She teaches a lot of our workshops that revolve around furniture upcycling. And yeah, so I'll pass it over to her to discuss the new line of product. I think by now you've guessed the product that we're about to introduce. Okay, so Kelly, our furniture artist, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Hi, I've been painting furniture for 10 years now. I am a furniture artist, but I'm inspired by many artists that are out there. It's mineral paint and it's built for furniture. So this paint can go on so many surfaces. I did my wood floors. I did wooden cabinetry. I did a fabric headboard. I did ceramic tile and walls. Of course, you can put on glass vases, small piece, big piece. And really, you just have to prep with the Ultra Grip, like I've mentioned. Anything shiny. It depends on what surface you are going to do, whether or not you need to prep for a product called Ultra Grip. So Ultra Grip would go on anything shiny. So kitchen cupboards. This is an amazing paint for kitchen cupboards. It goes a long way. So thin coats. These pints will last you. Like this 1 pint, I'm just seeing what I would figure a dresser, four drawer dresser, you would need 1 pint. So 1/16 of a pint to do a chair, a small what do you call that, an end table?
Yeah.
A 1/4 of a pint, a 1/2 a pint for that, and then a large dresser, credenza, 1 pint. You don't necessarily need to put a top coat on. We do have tough coat in matte and gloss. But if it's a piece that's just going to be decorative in a corner, nothing really touching it, you really don't need to put a top coat on. Kitchen cupboards, I definitely would do. I did my wood floors, ceramic tiles I did. I also want to mention that we do carry here Country Chic. This paint is clay-based paint. And this is why we brought in mineral. They're very different applications. So with the clay paint, it is amazing doing layering and distressing. It reactivates with water so you can move your paint around. So depending on the project, a nice, sleek, clean, painted piece, I'd go over here to Fusion mineral paint. But the Country Chic, if I'm layering and distressing and making it look old, then I would do the Country Chic. So what's so great is we most retail stores that carry Fusion carry many different lines. And I agree with that. I don't think one does everything, but this is pretty close.
Okay.
So we created a one-stop shop here. So anything from Fusion mineral paint to Country Chic, you can glaze over our transfers. We've got rice papers, over 1,000 napkins. We've got the H2O transfers, small transfers. Like, it really is a one-stop shop.
Thank you so much, Kelly, for that explanation. Very thorough, detailed explanation of fusion mineral paints. Thank you so much for watching once again, and we'll see you next week.